should have ate breakfast. Starving. I need to get ingredients for the video I'm filming, so. These are the exact chicken nuggets that Mackie sell. Look at them. No. I like a few little crumbs in there because I feel like it adds a nice bit of texture. Pour the butter in here and just mix it like that so I don't have to wash another dish. So that is basically what you're looking for. Needs more sugar. Now I have to clean up this entire mess, and then I'm gonna film my second recipe for TikTok and Instagram. I'm gonna make rasam, which if you don't know what it is, you need to get to know. If you find cooking to be really stressful, I really recommend like laying out all of your ingredients like already measured out. Just get everything laid out in little containers or just all on one big plate, and it's kind of easy to just grab and go. But yeah, I'm gonna go film the recipe for this. I need to make some amendments on a video that is due to go live next week, so I'm just getting that done and sent for approval. Hopefully it'll be fine. I'm just gonna have some rasam and chora. Just hit the spot. I need to think of some ideas on what to make for my rice from all over India series, because I feel like I've hit a blank wall. This company called The Biscuiteers sent me like a DIY gingerbread house kit, so I think I might do that with my little sister today, but it might be a bit too early, so I don't know, maybe I'll do that later. I don't know, we'll see. And then Heinz sent me this really cute package of their Christmas dinner soups. That is the best setup I can get with the lighting, so it's just gonna have to do. I just got another package. Quite excited to give these a try actually. Where do I put them all is the question. So I was supposed to film another video, but honestly, I'm too tired. So I'll just wake up early and do that tomorrow.